EMF radiation is all around us, but there are ways to cut back on our exposure. But, how can we know for sure what protection is effective or not unless we know where the radiation emission is coming from and whether or not our attempts to block it are working? This is when an EMF meter is necessary. The best EMF detectors are reviewed below. Fit a good EMF meter into your budget. What is an EMF meter, and how do we know if we've purchased the right one? Perhaps an even better question is, how do I find a good EMF meter that fits within my budget? For starters, check the best EMF detectors reviews to make sure you know where they rank. How do EMF meters work? Whenever electricity is used near us, we are surrounded by electric and electromagnetic fields EMF, which creates three frequency ranges that are measured in Hertz, megahertz and gigahertz. There are three frequency ranges that range from low ELF, which includes 60 Hz in North America, that are generated by electricity power lines and appliances, an intermediate frequency IF of 300 Hz to less than 10 MHz, used in computer monitors, security systems, and industrial processors, and a radio frequency range RF of 10 MHz to 300 GHz, which include radars, television broadcast, telecommunications, and radio. Frequent exposure to these ranges can be dangerous to our health. There are also magnetic fields that we are exposed to. These are measured in terms of Tesla and Gauss. EMF is sometimes measured in milli-Gauss. The Environmental Protection Agency recommends that we limit our exposure to 0.5 mg to 2.5 mg. To put this in perspective, when we are standing about 3 feet from a microwave, we are exposed to up to 25 mg. An EMF meter measures the combination of the two fields, electric and magnetic, and will be able to detect which devices in our homes are emitting harmful radiation. Best EMF detectors. KK Moon EMF meter. The KK Moon EMF meter uses two testing methods, one to test the electric field and the magnetic field radiation at the same time. And it fits within even a college student's budget. It is able to detect frequencies in a wide range from 30 Hz up to 300 Hz and provides high sensitivity readings. This means it will be able to detect radiation of high voltage power lines, wires, and even your household appliances, and also measure the environmental temperature with Celsius or Fahrenheit. Not bad for the cost. It is backlit with an LCD display and a sound light alarm when the testing shows levels that exceed a safe amount. It is handheld and comes in a durable case. Hinmei Digital EMF Meter. The Hinmei Digital EMF Meter is another budget-friendly choice that measures both electric field radiation and magnetic field radiation. The range of sensitivity is up to 2000 mg for electric and 200 μt for magnetic. It is able to detect both magnetic and electric radiation as well in the 30 Hz to 300 Hz area and temperature with an easy-to-read LCD display. The meter also allows you to freeze readings and comes equipped with an alarm that sounds and lights up. METIC EMF Meter. One of the best midline budget-friendly models is the METIC EMF Meter. It provides you with electric and magnetic field measurements that are displayed with a large and clear LCD that shows the reading intensity, 2 temperature sensors, and a range of frequency, from 30 Hz to 300 Hz, that picks up most wireless devices such as cell phones or computers. If you are using it in a quiet place or you want to turn off the alarm, there is a mutation function. This device is handheld and will allow you to test magnetic fields inside your home as well as to measure radiation from a TV, appliances, and electrical wires. Latnex MG300. The Latnex MG300 EMF meter comes with all of the features you want with a mid-range budget price tag. It detects frequencies that range from 30 Hz to 300 Hz and is able to detect frequencies emitting from air conditioners, nearby power lines, and other large potential dangerous EMF radiation transmitters. It displays readings on an LCD screen and comes with a carrying case. Best RF detectors. Latnex HFB3G. The Latnex HFB3G is on the higher budget end and is reliable for measuring RF and HF from cell phones, towers, Wi-Fi modems, and smart meters. It provides some nice features that is easily used by an expert or a beginner. It is able to detect frequencies in the 50 MHz to 3.5 GHz range from a number of devices. It is said to be able to detect RF emitting even from spy cameras or wireless bugs, as it provides isotropic, triaxial continuous measurement ranges and data memory storage. Best overall EMF and RF detector. Tri-field EMF model TF2. On the high end of the budget, the tri-field may be worth the cost. 5 numbers can be measured with this meter: magnetic, electric, frequency-weighted magnetic, frequency-weighted electric, and radio frequency (RF) waves. It has a wide range of frequency detection. AC magnetic range is 40 Hz to 100 kHz, the AC electric range is 40 Hz to 100 kHz, and the RF range is 20 MHz to 6 GHz. The sounds from the meter are at a low level, so you can use it in quiet environments. No matter whether your budget is tight or extravagant, there is an EMF meter for you. Using this meter properly and regularly will be your first step toward protecting your household.